Hi everyone, my name is Isabella Susilawati. I'm an excellent Power BI enthusiast with decades of business experience. Lighthouse Analytix is my YouTube channel where I share videos about how we can use Excel and Power BI to deliver clear insight with speed and accuracy. In today's video, I'd like to share with you a recent real-life experience where someone presented a waterfall chart in a meeting which made me lose my concentration. Why? Because the waterfall chart was presented wrongly. When a waterfall is not correctly displayed, it is distracting and misleading. Let me show you how to recreate the waterfall from scratch. Just highlight the data, insert, and then click waterfall, and voila, all done. Yes, it's hanging, but can be easily fixed. Just double click, and then click set as total. And it's no longer hanging. Of course, we can also double-click the chart title and then type in whatever you want. Additional benefits from upcoming supplier negotiations. And then all done. Less lines is always better. So click the grid lines, press delete. Click the axis, press delete. Click the legend, press delete if you want. So much clearer already. Yep. And one thing that makes things even clearer is if you can add text box that says net profit growth of 4 million, even clearer. Yeah. And then earlier I added the shape, that one, like that, and then rotate it and put that there. One last thing, the color. Yep. So we can change the color to gray and make that also gray. And done.